What's up, guys? So for today's video, I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could make a tropical cocktail with scotch, which is a bit of a challenge. And you know what? I think I actually did it. I think I cracked the code. My name's Leandro Demon Riva. This is the Educated Barfly. Mucho blah, 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 blah. Let's get into making the cocktail. Today's video is sponsored by Bruichladdich Distillery, and I was so inspired by the color of the bottle and the story behind it that I decided I wanted to make a cocktail to match it. All right, first things first. We're gonna do half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of ginger syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. I'm gonna do 1/4 ounce of blue curacao. And if you guys want, you can also get some blue spirulina and do like 1/4 teaspoon of blue spirulina. And that will sort of tie it back into the ocean, which was another idea I had. And I did test it, but I really like the dryness from the curacao. 1.5 ounces of Classic Laddie. Add some ice into our glass. And then ginger beer. Add some ice into our tin. Give it a nice hard shake. Give it a little double strain. We're just gonna do a nice classic garnish. Got some candied ginger here. I'm gonna work the toothpick through the ginger in a V shape so that it pinches the glass. Let's give this guy a taste. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. So the challenge with making a cocktail from a kind of a nuanced flavored scotch is that you want to make sure that you're really enhancing the flavor profile of the scotch itself. If you're just covering it up with juices, then there's really no point. So what I did here is I used a lot of flavors that I thought would be really complementary to the Classic Laddie itself. You get like a lot of that like really good, just like barley flavor, but it is just very nuanced and very fruit forward. I don't know, I think the way to describe it is like heathered fruit. Like it's very soft, but it has some really nice fruit flavors in there, some apple and pear. It's got like a little honey to it. And so I wanted to kind of play with those flavors. I thought that it would go really well in this buck variation. So what I did was add a little bit of pineapple juice because the heat is really making me in a kind of tropical mood, and I kind of wanted to tropicalify it. Not to mention the fact that when people see blue drinks, you're thinking tropical cocktails. So I kind of went in that direction. Add a little lime juice, a little ginger to kind of accentuate those kind of honey flavors in the scotch, the pineapple for the nice, kind of tropical vibe to it, also very complementary in flavor. And this all just really works very well together. You just got this nice kind of gingery, pineapple-y scotch goodness. What do I gotta say? It's fantastic. So there it is, the passion in Providence. So there you have it, my young Barflies. Barflies. So there you have it, my young Barflies. I think pretty well executed, somewhat blue scotch cocktail, accentuating the scotch. I think I did a good job with this, and I think you guys are really gonna like it. If you like this channel, please hit like and subscribe. Definitely check out our Patreon. We've got some added perks that I think you guys are really gonna like, and check out our website. We've got a bunch of merch there. We have articles, and we have all of the recipes written down for you very conveniently. And I'll see you guys on another time.